Mary Barton is a novel by Elizabeth Gaskell. It was published in 1848. It is a novel about class struggle in industrial Manchester. The novel is set in working class Manchester during the 1840s. There were many factories in Manchester at that time. The workers were mostly poor. There was a deep resentment between the workers and mill owners. As a result, there were often strikes by workers. It was a time when people were hungry, children were succumbing to hunger and illness, and men were furious. The novel portrays Mary Barton. Her father is John Barton, who is a mill worker. Life is hard for the Barton family. John's wages are low, the living conditions are poor, and there is a constant stress. Mary's mother is Mrs. Barton. Mrs. Barton's health gradually declines. She suffers from a long period of illness and exhaustion and ultimately passes away. Mary has two younger twin brothers. They pass away at a young age due to poverty and poor living conditions. Such poverty was common among working class families at that time. John Barton grieves for his wife and young sons. He becomes bitter towards the rich factory owners. John Barton joins worker movements demanding reform. Mary works as a dressmaker. She dreams of a nice life. She desires security, beauty, and glamour. She wants to marry well. Elizabeth Gaskell shows in the novel that two men love Mary. The two men are quite different from each other. Jem Wilson is a working class mechanic. Jem is honest, steady, and devoted to Mary. The other man is Harry Carson. Harry is the son of a wealthy mill owner. He is charming and privileged. He belongs to the rich factory owner class. Mary's father hates that class. Both Jem and Harry are attracted to Mary. They vie for Mary's attention. Mary loves Harry's attention. She thinks that Jem is too ordinary for her. Then there is labor unrest. There are labor strikes, rallies, speeches, and chaos. During this period of unrest and chaos, Harry Carson is shot. He succumbs to the injuries. The police arrest Jem Wilson and accuse him of unaliving Harry. Evidence seems to point towards Jem. Mary is horrified. She realizes that she loves Jem. She thinks that Jem is innocent. Mary thinks that her own father, John Barton, is the culprit. Mary races against time to save Jem from execution. She travels, gathers witnesses, and proves his innocence in a dramatic courtroom scene. In the court, it is shown that John Barton was a desperate man. There was political rage boiling in him. He unalived Harry Carson because he thought that he was striking back at an unjust system. John Barton is guilty. Jem is innocent. So Jem is freed. John Barton was feeling quite guilty, so he ultimately confessed his crime to Harry's father, Mr. Carson. Instead of taking revenge, Mr. Carson forgives John Barton. John was broken by grief and remorse. He passes away shortly afterwards. Mary and Jem marry. They have both suffered the bitterness of industrial England. They can take no more. They emigrate to Canada for a fresh start. In this novel, Elizabeth Gaskell shows that industrial poverty creates quite a lot of suffering and anger among the working class. Injustice results in violence, and that causes more pain and regret. Love, truth, and courage can overcome a difficult situation. True healing comes from empathy and forgiveness.